Hi, I'm James from Finding Country, and you've joined me here today on the High Street in Kenilworth, one of the most desirable parts of town to live in, where we have one of the most iconic Grade 2 listed properties the town has to offer, the Stone House. It also has one of the largest gardens and grounds you will find, 1.25 acres, lots of outbuildings. It really is very special. It's a unique opportunity to acquire one of the most amazing properties in the area and create the most incredible home. Follow me and let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the absolutely beautiful walled rear garden of this incredible home, where we've got a tennis court, pool, 1.25 acres. It's such a rare opportunity to create the most fabulous home in one of the most desirable parts of the Midlands. If you'd like more information, please contact me in the details that follow. Thank you for watching.